Hi, I'm Laura Gwyn, an Oregon licensed principal broker of Laura Gail Gwyn Properties. I got home from work today, took off my work clothes and my makeup, and then I remembered I owed my marketing manager a video. So I'm sorry for my casual attire. But as you all know, we are in a coronavirus pandemic. It's March 17th, 2020. And what is a cooped up realtor like me with extra bodies in her house supposed to do? Well, starting a blog is one answer. I do have a lot of knowledge and experience. My team's been bugging me about starting a vlog, and I've always had a desire to serve the public, share ideas, inspiration, best practices, educate my community and my clients, as well as other peers in my workplace, and of course save time. So since we are in the age of video, this is called a vlog. Welcome. This is the introduction vlog to let you know that we, of course, had this pandemic affect us all globally. I determined that this was as good a time as any to start documenting, systems, practices, policies, procedures that we use around here at Laura Gail Gwyn Properties, as well as having some open discussion about the things that are affecting all of us, all of our households right now. I plan to share what I've learned over the course of my 25 years in the real estate business in both my professional as well as my personal life. I plan to share some of the plays that we run that work and share some things that we've tried that haven't worked. I'm 53 years old and I've been through a lot of rough markets and rough life things. So if you're interested in hearing about some of them and you'd like to be a part of my crazy world and life, you're going to want to check back here often. Please subscribe to the company YouTube channel and follow us on social media. We're always introducing great people like you to one another, supporting their local businesses, and trying to match you guys up so that you can share your gifts and talents. I'm hoping to share not only tips about real estate, but also my personal life, working from a home office. I've been working virtually for years. I know this quarantined home work-life balance is new for some of you, and maybe you want some tips and tricks. My husband's joking, told me today that he heard the divorce rate's extremely high in China. And as you know, they've been through this before us, but he can't divorce me. We've already been divorced and married each other the second time. That was during the mortgage crisis of 2006 to 2008, and for those were rough years. I'll probably be talking about that because I still have some PTSD from that time period. Even my 19-year-old son Zachary says he still says 2007 was a really bad year. Just know I'm a little bit like Trump and that I don't do well when I'm not reading from a teleprompter, so keep that in mind. I don't always use my filter. Just laugh with me and move on. If you hear me refer to Kate, I'm referring to Kate Brown, the governor of Oregon, who lately I'm feeling like we're on a first name basis around here. So that's all I have. Stay safe, stay well, stay focused on your daily healthy plan for living, and know that we are going to get through this. With prayer and hard work, this too shall pass.